back to another video. Today, I'm going to be, what is going to be in it? We're going to be telling you where we are.
Candyland!
We're going to Candyland.
We're not on Candyland.
But we're at our campsite right now.
No, we're not.
We're driving from our campsite. Grandpa, say hi.
Hi.
Yaya, hi.
Yuki,
Those are my grandparents.
Yuki, hi.
Yeah, we're about to go
Hey,
to
Connor.
Candyland.
Connor, say hi.
Leave a like down below if you like going to Candyland.
Hi.
And hi. And if you know Park State Park, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.